If you feel confused, overwhelmed, or stuck in the same patterns, you're not broken. You're missing the right tools to understand what's actually happening in your life. Author's Nexus was created for people who are tired of guessing and ready for clarity. Here's how each book solves a specific problem you're dealing with right now. Angel Numbers Explained. If you keep seeing repeating numbers like 111, 222, or 777 and don't know what they mean, this book gives you direct explanations. It helps you understand when to act, when to wait, and when life is confirming you're on the right path, so you stop ignoring signs and start using them. Tarot and the Truth. If you feel unsure about decisions, relationships, or money, tarot becomes a clarity tool instead of a mystery. This book teaches clear card meanings and practical spreads so you can ask better questions, see hidden influences, and make confident choices instead of second-guessing yourself. Understanding Astrology. If life feels out of sync and your timing always feels off, this book explains why. You'll learn how your sun, moon, and rising signs influence your emotions, reactions, and decision-making, so you stop fighting cycles and start working with them. The complete Zodiac guide for all ages. If you struggle to understand yourself or the people around you, this book simplifies Zodiac traits, compatibility, and patterns in a way that actually makes sense. It helps improve communication, relationships, and self-awareness for adults, teens, and even families without overwhelming language or complexity. These books help you gain emotional clarity, improve relationships and communication, make better financial and life decisions, recognize patterns instead of repeating mistakes, stop feeling lost and start feeling aligned. You don't need more information. You need understanding that applies to real life. Get instant access now at https://payhip.com/authors. Nexus. The ebook store is fast, simple, and easy to use. Secure payment. Instant ebook delivery. Start reading within minutes. You can also find these books on Amazon, but the full collection is available directly on the Author's Nexus website. Sign up for the mailing list to receive special features, updates, and exclusive content. If you're ready to stop guessing and start understanding, this is where clarity begins.